Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how we can remove the background of an image and use it to create amazing creative banners, posters. Let's start with opening up our browser. In the browser I'll write remove BG, which stands for actually remove background. So it will take me to a website called remove.bg, and here I can upload any image from which I want to remove the background. Say it may be a cloud image. I have uploaded original image and it has removed the background clouds, so it will be downloaded. It's done. For another image, I'll again click the upload button. It's a car, and here I have removed the background of the car, which are trees, but now it's without any surface or tree. It's done. It has also been done. So I'll just open these images. These two images are now available with me without background. Now I'll open up my PowerPoint presentation to create a banner here. So here is my PowerPoint presentation, empty one, and here is an image of a house. Say I've imported a house here, and the other images are available here. The car and my balloon. I've just shifted these two images here too. Now they are available for my house. So here are the banner, here are the balloons which I can put on my banners like this after resizing them on top of my house. And here is my car. I'll just resize it and position it in front of my house. And I'll send this house in the background, send to back, so that my title may come up. I'll just give it a home sweet home. It's done, and here it goes. I can just have any catchy fonts if I want, red color if I want like that, and here it is. My banner has been created. I can just convert into JPG file. This is